Welcome to day 40, guys. We're just going to ride up to Wilmington today and then hopefully down through Melrose and finishing up at Wirrabara, all things going well. So should be a little bit warm today. It's already a bit warm in the sun, and it'll be a difficult climb, but not too difficult. Well, we're heading along Spear Creek Road, and you can see the job ahead of us this morning. Just going to climb up Horrocks Pass up to Wilmington. So, how was Spears Creek Road?
Horrible.
Oh, what was wrong with it?
Bumpy.
It was a bit lumpy. Oh, that's good. Well, climbed Horrocks Pass, guys. Thoughts?
Yeah, wasn't too bad.
Tom?
It was very slow.
Yep, nice and slow. You got the fly net on there, Tom.
Yep. Lots of flies.
Flies aren't your friend.
No.
Okay. Well, we better move on. A bit further to go to Wilmington. Oh, nearly ran into the back here. We've been on the cycle path from Wilmington to Melrose, and we're getting closer to Melrose. What are your thoughts on the trail, on the path, guys?
It's really good.
Yep.
Second half was very good.
Yep.
First half was a bit gravelly.
First half was great.
It was a bit loose.
There's just one spot through a little creek that was an issue.
There's a lizard. Go back. And here we are, set up at the Wirrabara caravan park. A little bit damp this morning here at Wirrabara. It was rain overnight. Are you ready to go?
Yep.
Right, let's go. Well, the football final's on here in Jamestown today, and so it was quite a busy ride from Kaltawi. We've just had a lovely bakery stop here at Jamestown. Now we're off to Spalding. Something happening in Spalding today too. Here we are at the Spalding Hotel, where we're hoping to camp tonight out the back for free. but it doesn't open till 4, and so I've got to wait for about an hour and 20 minutes before we can ask. This is our campsite behind the Spalding pub where we stayed last night. It's quite wet this morning, so the tents are going to have to be packed up wet. Just leaving Spalding on day 42, and should be a good ride down to Clare, and then on the Rattler Trail past Auburn to Riverton. A bit cool and wet in the Clare Valley this morning. On the Riesling Trail. We just had a long lunch stop in the little bakery and stayed in there as long as we could to try and dry out and warm up, but we have to face the inevitable and try and head on now the rest of the way. But thankfully the drizzle, which has been persistent all morning, has seemed to have stopped, and so hopefully we can have a little bit of a drier run from here to Riverton. Thoughts on the day?
Good bakery.
It was
Very
a good
nice
bakery. That's the highlight.
Good custard cream donuts.
Yeah, looked good.
Didn't look that great to me.
Oh,
Pretty big.
yeah.
Too much cream.
Yeah.
The riding though, a little bit wet and soggy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pretty miserable, but after the bakery it was alright.
Yeah. I think it was 8.7 degrees in Clare when we checked, and it felt like 5.1 or something like that. So definitely a cool and soggy day for a ride today. And that's the end of the Riesling Trail. Now we'll start the Rattler Trail. 17 kilometres to go from here to Riverton, which is where we're staying tonight. We just met Alistair and Richard here, and they've come through some muddy trails between Gawler and Riverton, and so we're thinking of riding that way tomorrow, and we now know to avoid it, so by the look of their bikes. Yeah. So it's good to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
All the best on your trip.
Yeah, and all the best for your ride. Yeah. Okay, cool.
All right,
Thank
mate.
you.
Take care.
Wait. Hello, Nog.
This is where the magpies should camp. Should attack you as you go through the gate.
Camped here in the caravan park last night at Riverton. Setting off from Riverton on day 43, heading towards Gawler. We're just setting up in the Gawler caravan park for the night. Had a bit of a noisy and cold sleep last night. It was right next to a major road here. Almost ready to go on day 44. Okay, you blokes, you ready to go?
Yep.
Good. Probably the trickiest thing this morning is navigating our way from the caravan park in Gawler to the start of the Stuart O'Grady bike path. But now we should be on this the whole way into Port Adelaide. Okay, Port Adelaide, and Jeff kindly brought lunch for the three of us, and we just enjoyed that down at Port Adelaide. So thanks, Jeff. It is a lovely day for a ride along the Greenway. Okay, we're currently riding along Day Terrace, which was named after my great-great-great-grandfather and Nathan and Tom's great-great-great-great-grandfather, Richard Day, who was an early settler here in Adelaide, came into Adelaide in 1838 and had land around this area. They're still doing a great job of leading us in. They're just crossing South Road. Here we are at the Cancer Council Green Hill Road Lodge. This is the welcoming committee.
Tom, Harry, nice to meet you.
Hey, thank you, welcoming committee. Thank you. Alrighty. I'm just meeting the guys here on Glen Osmond Road. We're going to ride up the hill to Nan, and that'll be where we'll start our next section from. Look good, Tom?
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Alright, we've come about 1 kilometre and we've stopped for morning tea. Safest place to ride along Glen Osmond Road's on the footpath at the moment. And up the bikeway to Crayfors. To the freeway. Well, we're almost up to Eagle on the Hill now.
Okay.
Here are the bollards at Crayfors. It's a lovely day for riding the Adelaide Hills. Here we are back at Nan. Okay, Nathan, well this is the end of day 45 and it marks the end of your...
The end of my journey.
Yes, the end of your journey. So what was the favourite thing you saw on this trip?
Probably all of the little stone cottages and ruins and all the old stone buildings in all the country towns.
Cool. What was your favourite place that you stayed in?
Well, there's a lot of memorable places. Yeah, Penong was good in the caravan park there, with all the windmills nearby.
And what was your favourite cycling experience on the whole 3,100 kilometres or so?
I really enjoyed the bike path from Wilmington to Melrose.
Yep.
On the old train line. Even if those bridges are a bit narrow.
Cool. Okay, well thank you for all your work, Nathan. You were quite often the one, or most often the one in front, leading us.
Yep.
For
Battling the wind.
Yeah, battling against the wind for 90% of the time, so you've done a lot of hard work, and you got to get back to work now.
I do.
You always
More
intended
hard work ahead.
Yeah, you intended to stay here in Adelaide, so it's been great having you along, and we'll certainly miss you as Tom and I head off on the next leg.
Yep.
All right. Thanks, mate.
All good.
Have you missed us, Charlie? Didn't even notice we were gone, did you? Oh well, it's lovely to see you too, Charlie. You need a bit of a haircut though. You look like a shaggy sheep.